Hi, I'm attorney Samantha Gordon with McIntyre Elder Law. Sometimes we have clients that come in and they're concerned about properties that they have overseas. What's going to happen to that property after they pass away or if they became incapacitated? What's really important is figuring out where that property is located and getting in touch with an attorney in that country. Because as it is with the United States, we have our own set of laws. We have federal laws, we also have state laws. So in that country, it's very important for me as the attorney here in North Carolina, if we're establishing an estate plan, to speak with an attorney in that country to determine what the laws are and how we can make sure that the estate plan in the United States also correlates with any property that is overseas, and to ensure that what in fact our client's wishes are actually carried out. So speaking with a attorney in another country is very important to determine if we're going to do an estate plan here, how everything is going to pass. And if you'd like to talk about property, how to avoid probate, also how to protect your assets, you can give us a call at 888-999-6600 or visit our website at mcelderlaw.com/scheduling.